Dear friends, gather round, for today I have a fascinating tale to share with you. A story that weaves together creativity, innovation, and a touch of everyday elegance. It's a tale about something we often take for granted in our daily lives, the humble clothes hanger. But believe me, its origins are anything but humble. Prepare to be amazed by the remarkable journey of this unsung hero of our closets. Picture this. It's the late 19th century, and people's wardrobes are bursting at the seams with all manner of garments. Closets were chaotic caverns, and folks struggled to keep their beloved clothes wrinkle-free and in pristine condition. You might think that something as basic as a clothes hanger would have been around forever, but that's not the case. Our story begins with a brilliant inventor named Albert J. Parkhouse. In 1903, young Albert was working at a meatpacking plant in Jackson, Michigan, where he had to hang his coat on a hook while working. One fateful day, he arrived at work to find his usual hook occupied by a coworker's coat. Frustrated, Albert decided to take matters into his own hands. He grabbed a sturdy piece of wire, bent it into a rectangular shape, and created what would become the world's first modern clothes hanger. The design was simple yet genius, allowing him to hang his coat without it getting wrinkled or misshapen. It was his aha moment, and little did he know, he had just changed the course of fashion history. Albert's invention didn't stay confined to the meatpacking plant for long. His fellow workers were so impressed with his creation that they started asking him to make hangers for them too. Word of the handy contraption began to spread throughout Jackson. Soon, a local shopkeeper named Meyer May caught wind of this marvelous invention and offered to buy the rights to it. Albert, perhaps not realizing the goldmine he was sitting on, sold the rights for a mere $1, hoping to fund his education. May patented the design, and the rest, as they say, is history. With the patent secured, the clothes hanger began its ascent to worldwide popularity. It didn't take long for the fashion industry to recognize the hanger's potential to showcase garments in a store setting, making it easier for customers to visualize their purchases. Boutiques and department stores quickly adopted the handy device, revolutionizing the way we shop for clothes. And so, my friends, that's the thrilling origin story of the clothes hanger. What started as a moment of frustration in a meatpacking plant in Michigan turned into an invention that forever changed the way we organize and care for our clothes. Next time you reach into your closet and pluck a hanger from the rack, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity of Albert J. Parkhouse, the man who made our lives a little tidier and more elegant, one hanger at a time. The clothes hanger, a small invention with a big impact. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.